Hey guys, now in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at one of the coolest earbuds I've seen in quite a long time. These are by Edifier. These are the GX07. And I'll tell you, these things look like they're from outer space. They have great battery life, a lot of connectivity options for gaming, and they just look super cool. Let's go and check them out. Now, these earbuds, the GX07, are going to give you 4.5 hours of battery life, 16 hours total with the case. And it has a dual wireless mode. You're going to see in a second that it also includes a USB-C dongle that's going to give you 2.4 gigahertz connection. It does have a Bluetooth mode as well because it has a 15 millisecond low latency gaming mode. These have 10 millimeter drivers. They sound really good. And once again, they have this super cool lighting effect that is just spectacular. And you can obviously control this and do some cool things with the app. Now, the outside of the cool design, you also have fast charging. You do have dual microphones, which we're going to test for noise cancellation for calls. And then you obviously have that dual connectivity, Bluetooth 5.3. So let's go ahead and see how they sound. And we'll do an EBPMAN style audio and call quality test. Now, these come in one of the coolest boxes I've seen in a very long time. So let me just close this up so you can see how it comes through. So this is what it comes in. And then when you open it up, it does have your accessories here. Lots of accessories for you to work with. Different clips. You do have here, for example, a little bag. You also then have, take all this stuff out, USB-C cable. You have a little manual, and then you have additional earbuds. Now, as we take a look at these earbuds, we'll go ahead and take them out of the case. So I'll put this case aside here. They're pretty cool, right? So it looks like a flying saucer. Spaceship of sort. And what you do is to release them is you turn them around. I'll tell you, I was trying to figure out how to open these up. And all you do is you turn them around. Once you turn them around, you can see how they kind of light up. The cool thing about these is that they have a USB-C dongle that you can connect to a PC, a tablet, and to have a direct connection. Now, on the bottom here, you have your USB-C charging port. You do have a pairing port over here. And as I take these out, you can see how these look, right? They look really, really cool. Now, we're going to go ahead and put these on. You'll notice that they have really short stems, so they'll go in your ear nicely. They have these contact points. They're easy to put back. I'm going to go ahead and put these on and make sure I have the right side on. Now, these disappear. So as you take a look at these, this is what I'm talking about. These are tiny. They just disappear in your ears. Now, bass, mids, and highs are present, has good music separation. With gaming, they do really, really well with gaming. You get a lot of situational awareness. And again, I just really like the feel of these and how small they are. They're almost just like earplugs, super comfortable to wear and have, again, great audio experiences as well. So these are definitely real nice. Bass, it's punchy. Mids and highs are present. Good music separation. Doesn't feel like anything's competing with each other. And then when you're gaming, either with the connection directly to, let's say, handset, or if you have these connected to a USB-C device, again, any device that can use USB-C, these will rock it.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kind of tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we.
Next, we're going to do a call quality test of the GX7s in a quiet environment. Take a look at our decibel ratings. Anywhere between 21 and 23 decibels noise. It's going to switch. Now, this is what the GX7s will sound like in a quiet environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Next, let's add some wind to the environment. Now, this is what the GX7s will sound like with wind in the environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now we're adding significant noise to the environment. As you can see here, anywhere between 30 and 80 decibels in noise. What we're going to do is we're going to switch to the GX7s. We're going to see how much noise is canceled, and we'll continue with our audio test. Let's go and switch. Now this is what the GX7s would sound like in a noisy environment. This is the test. 1, 2, 3. This is your test. Now if you're wondering what they sound like with an infant crying in the background, well, this is what they'll sound like with an infant crying. Now if you're wondering what they sound like with a dog barking in the background, this is what they sound like with a dog barking. Now if you're wondering what they sound like with a doorbell ringing, this is what they sound like with a doorbell ringing. So guys, these have great audio response, bass, mids, and highs, as I mentioned. I think they have fantastic, I would say, RGB experiences for those of you who are into that kind of thing. I do think that you sacrifice a little bit on the battery life with the 4.5 hours. It's not as competitive as I like them to be, but if you're looking for something cool, they're cool. See you in the next video.